Yes, now the question 2 is write the numbers name according to Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration we are already knowing. Only the things will happen here, some changes will happen, that is when the numbers will increase, means when the digits will increase, we have to increase the levels and we have to go a step higher. Like here the numbers are, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is something new for you in 5th standard, as we have talked in the beginning of this chapter that we have to start for 8 digit, 9 digit and all. So here 8 digit numbers are there, so we have to go for its naming, like ones, then tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. It is something different for you all. Lakh and 10 lakh we have done in 1.2, but in 1.3 we have to go up to crore. That means a digit which is a number which is having 8 digits, it is a number of crores. Okay, it is the value of crores. So 4 is at crores position, so I will write here 4 crore. Then 40, and then it is at lakhs position, so I will write here 40 lakh. Then 4 is at 10,000s place and 4 is at thousands place also. This will make 4 and 4 44. So 44,000. Then 4 is at hundreds place, so I will write here 400, and then no value, no appropriate digit is there for tens and ones, so nothing I will write here for tens and ones. So this will be your only answer: 4 crore, 40 lakh, 44,000 and 400. Okay, so before writing this 400 I have to put here and. Why? Because there is no value for tens and ones. So before writing the last word we have to write the name, that is and. Okay, now again ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and then 10 lakh. It is 51, and it is lakhs position, so this will make 51 lakh. This will make 51 lakh. Then 64, 64, 64 thousands, because it is at 1,000 place. Then 8 is at 100 place, so 800, and then 91, which is at tens and ones place. So before writing I have to write here and then 91. So this will be your answer: 51 lakh 64,891. Okay, one more question for your practice, that is, see, this is a big number for you, so first place it in place value order: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and then again this crores is coming. That means this number is of 8 digit: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so now start naming it. 4 is at crore position, so first I will write 4 crore. Then at 10 lakhs position nothing is there, so I will go for the lakh position directly. So this will be your 3 lakh. Then 21 for 1000 position, so this will be your 21,000. 5 is at 100 position, so 500, and 2 will make 22. So this will be your answer, that is 4,3,21,522. Okay, so this was, I think, easy for you all. Up to 10 lakhs we have done in the 1.2 exercise only. Here the new number which is coming, the new digit is, that is crores position is coming. So this one is new for you all. Now the question 3 is, put greater than or smaller than sign. I think this is, you have done many a times in your previous classes also. So first we have to see both the numbers and then compare which one is greater or which one is smaller. Like here it is 1,892,563. So if I read it as this, will 1,8 makes 18 lakhs 92,563, and this is 8,86,521. As you can see here, this is 18 lakh and this is only 8 lakh. So 18 lakh is greater than 8 lakh. So this is your bigger number. So I will put the sign like this. Or you can simply do like this. You can count the number of digits also. Wherever the number of digits are more, that number is bigger one. Like here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So a number which is having 7 digits will be bigger as compared to the number which is having only 6 digits. Next question is 8,88,899, and here 8,88,999. As you can see here both the numbers are having equal number of digits. So we have to go for checking whether which number is bigger by seeing each and every digit. 8 same, again 8, this 8 is also same, this 8 is also same. Here 899 and here 999. 800 is smaller as compared to the 900. Okay, so this number is smaller as compared to this number. So I will put the sign like this. Always remember, whichever number is bigger, towards that side only we have to open this fish mouth. Okay, now the third one is 2125,212, that is 21,25,212, and here 21,25,412. In both the numbers, number of digits are same. We have to go for each digit to see whether which one is the bigger one or which one is the smaller one. So 21 same, 21, then 25 same, 212, here 412. We know that 200 is smaller as compared to 400. So this number is bigger as compared to this one. So I have to put the sign like this, because 412 is bigger one. So this whole number will become the greater as compared to this one. So 21,25,412 is bigger than 21,25,212. Now the last sum is 1,13,250, that is 1,13,250, and here 1,13,350. 1 same, 13 same, 250 350. Which one is greater one? 350 is the greater one. 2 is smaller and 3 is bigger. So this number is bigger, so I have to put the sign like this. So I hope these 3 questions are clear you to all, and you have to go through that video very well, because that video of international system of numeration and its difference is very important for you all. So you have to see it carefully and memorize it, so that you do not get confused between international system and Indian system of numeration. Okay, we will meet in the next class.